Spiritual rights of people who have been detained should also be considered, and I would certainly invite the authorities to allow pastoral workers to attend to the needs of those people. Many times they've been separated from their families for a good amount of time. No one knows what's happening, but their own spiritual needs should be attended to. Let me say that I think in the first place the role of the church is to preach the gospel. And just a couple of days ago we heard Matthew's Gospel chapter 25, which says, Jesus says very clearly, at the end of the world we're going to be asked, how did you receive the foreigner? Did you receive him and welcome him or not? And I think that there's a deep reflection that needs to be made in terms of what's happening. Many people who've lived for years and years and years, never causing problems, have been deeply affected by what's going on right now. Un paese ha il diritto di avere, i militari per difendere la pace, per costruire la pace. Allora in questo caso sembra un po' diverso, aumentando la tensione. Appena 5 minuti fa ho letto una nuova notizia che stanno dicendo che è ogni volta più vicino alla costa del Venezuela. Penso che con la violenza non vinciamo. La cosa è cercare il dialogo, cercare con un modo giusto per trovare soluzione ai problemi che si possono esistere in qua.
Mi famiglia è de Chile, si la puede bendecir.
Un po' più vicino. Buonasera. Camerun. Oui. Grazie.